1. Which pillars are supported by ServiceNow CMDB Workspace? Select 3 correct answers. A. Ingestion, B. Governance, C. Insight, D. Retirement. Answer: A, B, C. 2. What is the main benefit of CMDB Workspace? Select 1 correct answer. A. Only used for governance tasks. B. Provides a single pane of glass for CI management. C. Requires a paid license. D. Only displays dashboards. Answer: B. 3. ServiceNow Discovery is also known as. Select 2 correct answers. A. Horizontal discovery, B. Top-down discovery, C. Agent-based discovery, D. Agentless discovery. Answer: A, D. 4. Which tools require a paid license? Select 3 correct answers. A. ServiceNow Discovery, B. CMDB Health Dashboard, C. Service Mapping, D. Intelligent Search, E. Agent Client Collector. Answer: A, C, E. 5. Which tool collects software utilization data? Select 1 correct answer. A. ServiceNow Discovery, B. Service Mapping, C. Agent Client Collector, D. Integration Hub ETL. Answer: C. 6. Which is the oldest data import method in ServiceNow? Select 1 correct answer. A. Service Graph Connectors, B. Import Sets and Transform Maps, C. ACC, D. ETL. Answer: B. 7. What risk occurs when using import sets without IR? Select 1 correct answer. A. Data loss, B. Incorrect class mapping, C. Missing relationships, D. Duplicate CI records. Answer: D. 8. Service mapping uses which discovery patterns? Select 2 correct answers. A. Horizontal, B. Top-down, C. Manual mapping, D. Tag-based. Answer: B, D. 9. CMDB Health Dashboard scorecards include. Select 3 correct answers. A. Completeness, B. Correctness, C. Compliance, D. Cost. Answer: A, B, C. 10. CMDB Data Manager supports which features? Select 3 correct answers. A. Data certification, B. CI discovery, C. Lifecycle policies, D. Attestation policies. Answer: A, C, D. 11. Duplicate CI remediation wizard can do which of the following? Select 2 correct answers. A. Identify duplicates, B. Perform top-down discovery, C. Merge or delete duplicates, D. Create service maps. Answer: A, C. 12. Deduplication templates provide what benefits? Select 2 correct answers. A. Manual only deduplication, B. Automated resolution in bulk, C. CI import capabilities, D. Attribute-based matching rules. Answer: B, D. 13. CMDB Query Builder allows users to. Select 2 correct answers. A. Build CMDB queries visually, B. Perform agent-based scanning, C. Use advanced and / or filters, D. Schedule CI deletions. Answer: A, C. 14. Unified Map is mainly used for. Select 2 correct answers. A. Visualizing CI relationships, B. Importing CI data, C. Showing dependency mapping, D. Running ETL actions. Answer: A, C. 15. Intelligent Search provides which capabilities? Select 2 correct answers. A. Natural Language Query, NLQ, understanding, B. CMDB Lifecycle Policy Creation, C. CI Deduplication, D. Advanced Filtering Options. Answer: A, D. 1. What is the main purpose of the CI Class Manager? Select 1 correct answer. A. Managing service catalogs, B. Centralized management of CMDB classes, C. Scheduling discovery scans, D. Generating ITSM reports. Answer: B. 2. CI Class Manager displays the class hierarchy in which format? Select 1 correct answer. A. Table view, B. Kanban board, C. Tree view, D. Flow diagram. Answer: C. 3. Which of the following can be configured in CI Class Manager class settings? Select 3 correct answers. A. Identification rules, B. Reconciliation rules, C. CMDB health settings, D. Release management workflows. Answer: A, B, C. 4. Which feature helps ensure accuracy of CMDB data? Select 1 correct answer. A. Creating custom dashboards. B. Managing identification and reconciliation rules. C. Editing UI policies. D. Resetting CMDB tables. Answer: B. 5. Which tab allows marking a class as a principal class? Select one correct answer. A. Attributes. B. Basic info. C. Identification rules. D. Suggested relationships. Answer: B. 6. What does the principal class flag do? Select one correct answer. A. Makes the class read-only. B. Restricts access to class data. C. Filters CI reference fields to relevant sys. D. Deletes unused classes. Answer: C. 7. Which of the following can be configured in the Basic Info tab? Select three correct answers. A. Display name. B. Managed by group. C. Default product model. D. Discovery schedule. Answer: A, B, C. 8. What is the extensible flag used for? Select one correct answer. A. Allows discovery to update sys. B. Determines if a class can be extended. C. Locks the class record. D. Restricts CI imports. Answer: B. 9. Who can create new CI classes? Select two correct answers. A. Idle. B. Admin. C. SN_CMDB_admin. D. Personalize_dictionary. Answer: B, C. 10. What should be done before creating a new CI class? Select one correct answer. A. Restart the instance. B. Delete unused tables. C. Install CMDB CI class models. D. Disable reconciliation rules. Answer: C. 11. Why should new class creation be avoided unless necessary? Select two correct answers. A. Can create license implications. B. Reduces CMDB performance. C. Can duplicate existing classes. D. Breaks all relationships. Answer: A, C. 12. What is the recommended approach when eliminating custom class technical debt? Select two correct answers. A. Delete custom class directly. B. Move sys into baseline classes. C. Identify a standard class to migrate to. D. Rebuild the CMDB. Answer: B, C. 13. What can be managed under the Attributes tab? Select two correct answers. A. Create new attributes. B. Configure discovery schedules. C. Make attributes mandatory. D. Change lifecycle stage. Answer: A, C. 14. Identification rules help in. Select one correct answer. A. Creating dashboards. B. Uniquely identifying sys. C. Generating performance analytics. D. Updating ACL permissions. Answer: B. 15. Which attributes might appear in an identification rule? Select two correct answers. A. Serial number. B. Class. C. SLA. D. User role. Answer: A, B. 16. Dependent relationships allow you to. Select two correct answers. A. Map CI dependencies. B. Configure approval rules. C. Perform impact analysis. D. Update licensing automatically. Answer: A, C. 17. Reconciliation rules determine. Select two correct answers. A. Which discovery sources can update attributes? B. Priority among multiple discovery sources. C. Password requirements for CI updates. D. Application installation rights. Answer: A, B. 18. What do data refresh rules control? Select one correct answer. A. How quickly sys are deleted. B. When stale CI data can be refreshed. C. How relationships are created. D. Who owns the CI class? Answer: B. 19. Suggested relationships provide. Select one correct answer. A. Mandatory CI links. B. Predefined logical relationship recommendations. C. Automated CI deletion. D. ACL level permissions. Answer: B. 20. Which of the following is a valid suggested relationship? Select one correct answer. A. Rack runs on server. B. Database runs on server. C. Server runs on database. D. Server provides power to rack. Answer: B. 21. The All Relationship Rules tab allows filtering by. Select two correct answers. A. Direction, inbound/outbound. B. CI ownership. C. Relationship type. D. User permissions. Answer: A, C. 22. What does the Health tab help maintain? Select one correct answer. A. Incident SLAs. B. CMDB data completeness and compliance. C. Payroll updates. D. Application licensing. Answer B. 23. What does the CI list tab show? Select one correct answer. A. All sys belonging to the selected class. B. All incident records. C. All service offerings. D. All UI policies. Answer A. 24 pinned classes are used to. Select one correct answer. A. Restrict class access. B. Quickly access frequently used classes. C. Archive old classes. D. Enable discovery. Answer B. 25. What is the traditional, non-class manager, method to configure CMDB items? Select one correct answer. A. Using discovery dashboards. B. Navigating individual CMDB applications in the application navigator. C. Using update sets only. D. Uploading CSV files. Answer B.